of right now, at 2 severe thunderstorm warnings and a flash flood warning now. This might be a warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York, effective until 4:42 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College Park has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County, in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County, in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County, in south-central Pennsylvania, north-central York County, in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hummelstown to Royalton to Manchester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Lebanon, Hershey, Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Levis, Middletown, Millersville, Mountjoy, Palmyra, and Steelton. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2464, Interstate 83 from mile markers 25 to 33, Interstate 283 mile markers 0 to 2. Precautionary/preparedness actions: stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.